Have you ever noticed how something as simple as getting up from a chair or walking up the stairs can start feeling harder with age? Maybe your knees creak a little more or that dull ache lingers longer after a short walk. For many people over 50, knee pain becomes an everyday companion, one that quietly limits your freedom. But here's something you may not know. In most cases, it's not age itself causing the pain. It's what happens to your muscles, joints, and cartilage when they stop being used the right way. And the best part? You can actually reverse much of that stiffness and pain through a few simple, targeted movements. No fancy equipment, no gym membership. Just consistent action. In today's video, we're revealing 4 simple exercises that have helped countless people over 50 keep their knees pain-free, flexible, and strong for life. These are not just random moves. Each one has been carefully chosen because it helps protect the knee joint, reduce inflammation, and restore the strength your knees depend on. So stay with me until the end, because by the time we finish, you'll know exactly what to do, how to do it safely, and how to start feeling the difference in just a few weeks. And before we begin, if you're new here, welcome to the Arthritis Doctor. I'm here to help you move easier, feel stronger, and enjoy a life with less pain. If that sounds like something you want, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs relief too. All right, let's start with the first exercise. Exercise number 1, the straight leg raise. If you've been struggling with knee pain or stiffness, this is one of the gentlest and most effective places to begin. The straight leg raise strengthens one of the most important muscles supporting your knee, the quadriceps, the large muscle in the front of your thigh. When your quadriceps get weak, your knee loses stability. Think of it like a hinge that's no longer supported. It starts to wobble, grind, and hurt. Over time, this weakness puts extra stress on the joint cartilage and can worsen arthritis symptoms. Strengthening the quadriceps helps restore that natural support, reducing pain and making everyday activities, walking, standing, climbing stairs much easier. Here's how to do it safely. Lie flat on your back on a firm but comfortable surface. A yoga mat or carpet works well. Bend one leg so your foot is flat on the floor, and keep the other leg straight. Now, tighten the muscles in your straight leg. You should feel the front of your thigh engage, and slowly lift that leg about 10 to 12 inches off the ground. Hold it there for about 5 seconds, then gently lower it back down. Repeat this 10 times, then switch legs. Try doing 2 to 3 sets on each side. The key here is control. Don't rush the movement. The slower and steadier you go, the more you activate those supportive knee muscles. What's happening inside your body during this simple movement is remarkable. Studies have shown that people with knee osteoarthritis who performed straight leg raises daily for 6 weeks experienced noticeable improvements in both pain and walking ability. It works by improving the muscle's ability to absorb impact before it reaches your knee joint, essentially acting as a shock absorber. One of my patients, let's call her Mary, was 62 when she first came to me. She could barely climb her front porch stairs without feeling sharp knee pain. We started with just this one exercise. No weights, no machines, just straight leg raises twice a day. Within a month, she told me, "Doctor, I can finally walk my dog again without worrying I'll twist my knee." It's that kind of real, steady progress that makes this exercise so powerful. After a few weeks, if your knees are handling it well, you can make it slightly harder by adding a small ankle weight or wearing a resistance band. But remember, form always comes before intensity. Never push through sharp pain. The goal is gentle strengthening, not strain. Do this regularly, and you'll start noticing less creaking when standing up, more stability when walking, and a gradual return of confidence in your movement. Before we move on, if this first exercise already feels doable, I encourage you to pause this video after it and give it a try. Sometimes, just feeling that muscle work again is enough to remind you how much control you still have over your health. And if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like this video. It really helps us reach more people who need this kind of information. All right, ready for the next one? Let's move on to something that keeps your knees strong and flexible at the same time. Exercise number 2, the seated knee. Extension. Now, This is another low-impact but highly effective exercise you can do from almost anywhere. Your couch, your office chair, even while watching TV. The seated knee extension strengthens both the quadriceps and the muscles that stabilize your kneecap. When your kneecap or patella doesn't glide smoothly in its groove, it can cause that familiar grinding or catching feeling. What doctors call patellofemoral pain. The seated knee extension helps correct that by training the surrounding muscles to move your knee joint in proper alignment. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the ground and your back straight. Place your hands on the sides of the chair for support. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you, tightening your thigh as you lift your foot. Hold it in the air for about 5 seconds, then lower it back down slowly. Repeat 10 to 12 times on each leg for 2 to 3 sets. This simple move may not look like much, but it does wonders for circulation and joint lubrication. When you extend your leg, you're not only strengthening muscles, you're also gently compressing and releasing the joint capsule, which helps nourish the cartilage inside your knee with fresh synovial fluid. This joint nutrition effect can make your knees feel looser and more comfortable over time. In fact, research published in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that consistent knee extensions improved joint function and decreased stiffness in older adults with arthritis. It's one of those quiet, dependable exercises that slowly rebuilds your knee's resilience. Now, let's make this even more effective. Once you can comfortably do 10 repetitions, loop a light resistance band around your ankles or under your foot to add gentle tension. The goal isn't to lift higher, it's to stay controlled and keep the motion smooth. Let me share a quick story here. A retired teacher I worked with, named James, had stopped his daily walks because of knee pain. He said his knees just didn't want to move. We added this seated knee extension to his daily routine, 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes at night. After a few weeks, he told me, "I feel like my knees are finally waking up again." That's exactly what this exercise does. It reawakens the muscles that protect your joints, helping your knees remember how to move the right way. And here's a tip. If you spend long hours sitting during the day, this exercise can double as your movement break. Do a few sets every couple of hours to prevent stiffness from building up. Even if you don't have arthritis, it's a great way to keep circulation flowing and prevent future problems. So far, we've covered 2 exercises that build foundational strength, one lying down and one sitting. Both target the muscles that stabilize and protect your knee joint, helping relieve pain, stiffness, and weakness. In part 2, we'll move into 2 more dynamic exercises, ones that gently reintroduce movement, balance, and flexibility, helping you regain confidence when walking, climbing, or bending. But before you go, if you've learned something helpful today, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss a new video packed with natural, science-backed tips for arthritis relief and healthy aging. Now that we've strengthened the muscles around your knees, let's move into natural, functional motion with the step-up exercise. This simple movement mimics climbing stairs, something that often becomes difficult after 50, but when done correctly, it can actually reduce pain and build lasting strength. Start with a low, sturdy step and hold on to a railing or wall for balance. Step up slowly through your heel, then step back down with control. Repeat 10 times on each leg. This strengthens your thighs, glutes, and hamstrings, the key supporters of your knees and joints. I once worked with Linda, a 68-year-old who had avoided stairs for years because of knee pain. Within 2 months of doing step-ups daily, she proudly told me she climbed her porch stairs again, without pain or hesitation. That's the power of steady, gentle progress. Next, let's move to the heel and calf raise. Stand tall, hold onto a chair or counter, and slowly rise onto your toes, lifting your heels. Hold for about 3 seconds, then lower gently. Do this 10 to 15 times. This exercise strengthens your calves and ankles, improving balance and reducing the impact that travels up to your knees. When your calves are strong, they act like natural shock absorbers, taking pressure off your joints. One of my patients, Thomas, age 71, used to describe his knees as heavy. After just a few weeks of calf raises, he told me, "It feels like my legs have springs again." That's what stronger lower legs can do, make every step lighter and more comfortable. These two movements complete your knee-friendly routine. Straight leg raises build thigh strength. Seated knee extensions improve flexibility. Step-ups restore real-world stability. And heel raises strengthen your foundation. Together, they take just 10 minutes a day and can dramatically reduce stiffness and pain. Remember, your knees were made to move. With gentle, consistent exercise, you can stay active, confident, and pain-free at any age. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Arthritis Doctor for more trusted tips to keep your joints healthy and your life moving smoothly.